Hey everybody, Mo'adim Lesimcha, good morning. I hope you guys are doing great, enjoying the holiday of Sukkot. We continue with the halachot of the Sukkah itself, and today we're going to talk about, I would say, the most important part of the Sukkah, which is the Sechach. The Sechach known as the roof of the Sukkah. So there are some important criteria that we should make sure that we followed. Number one, how thick can be the Sechach? So technically speaking, since the Sukkah is considered arai, which means that it's a temporary type of dwelling, the Sechach needs to be kind of fragile, and therefore we should be able to see the stars through it. If, however, the Sechach is very thick and we can't see the Sechach, it's still kasher as long as the rain can go through. There are very important conditions when it comes to the Sechach, how the Sechach should be made. Now, condition number one is that the Sechach has to be made from something that grows from the ground. Number two, it has to be disconnected from the ground. And number three, that it was not made into a keli, a tool, man-made recipient that is mekabel tum'ah. All of those conditions are me'akev. If we missing one of them, the Sechach is automatically pasul, and therefore the Sukkah pesula as well. Now sometimes some people don't have enough Sechach and they need to mix non-kosher Sechach with kosher Sechach. Is that okay? And the answer is it depends. If you have less than 4 tefahim of Sechach pasul between the Sechach that is kasher, so under the kasher Sechach it's going to be okay. Under the Sechach pasul it's not going to be okay, but the Sukkah remains keshera. If it's more than 4 tefahim, the Sukkah becomes pesula. If you have now less than 3 tefahim of Sechach pasul between the Sechach kasher, even under the Sechach pasul, it would be allowed to be sitting and eating as if you are under the Sechach kasher, because we apply the concept of lavud. We explained that when you have less than 3 tefahim, 3 feet between one point and another, then it's as if it's not there. So too, if you have not enough Sechach and you want to have empty spaces in the Sukkah, as long as you have less than 3 tefahim between each Sechach, each piece of Sechach, the Sukkah is entirely kasher, and you could even sit under the empty space in order to be fulfilling the mitzvah of eating inside the Sukkah. I wish you all an amazing day and Chag Sameach.